Are you a Trump holder feeling the pain? A crypto investor looking for the next big play? Or a meme coin trader trying to spot the pivot? Join me as I dive into the wild world of Trump's latest Memecoin move and predict if it's a genius play or just a meme gone wrong. The official Trump Memecoin has fallen off a cliff. After soaring to incredible heights, its price crashed by about 90%, leaving many wondering if the party's truly over. But just as many are writing it off, a huge strategic move is happening behind the scenes that could change the entire game. Is this a final, desperate gasp for air, or a calculated pivot that the rest of the market is sleeping on? We're breaking down the crash, the comeback plan, and what might happen next for your portfolio. First, let's be real about the damage here. The Trump token has been in a dramatic freefall. After peaking at around $80, it plummeted to roughly 8.68. That's a staggering 90% drop, wiping out massive value and shaking the confidence of its holders. For many crypto investors, a drop that big is a death sentence for a memecoin. The hype fades, panic sets in, and people rush for the exits, pushing the price down even further. This pattern is familiar to seasoned memecoin traders. The big question on everyone's mind, especially Trump holders, is simple. How can it possibly recover from this kind of market capitulation? But right when the sentiment is at its worst, the project makes a surprising announcement. The Trump token is officially expanding to the TRON network. For TRON users, this is huge news. This isn't just a simple bridge, it's a strategic move to tap into a robust, high-performance blockchain. This expansion, powered by a protocol called Layer 0, opens the door for millions of new users. It promises much faster transactions and significantly lower fees, which are critical for active traders and investors. This isn't a minor tweak, it's a massive strategic play. But it raises a huge question. Why do this now? Why invest in a huge ecosystem expansion when the token's price looks like it's on life support? That's the real mystery here. This leads us to two completely different ways of looking at this from an investment perspective. On one hand, you could see this as a move of pure desperation. It's possible this is a classic Hail Mary pass, a flashy move designed to create new hype and distract from the brutal price crash. We've seen projects do this before. When the price collapses, they announce a new partnership or a technical upgrade to try and lure in a new wave of buyers, giving early insiders a chance to get out. It's a way to change the narrative, but it doesn't always work if the underlying demand isn't there. For memecoin traders, this could be a classic pump and dump setup. But then there's the other theory. This is a calculated strategic masterstroke. To get this, you have to look at the bigger picture. The founder of TRON is Justin Sun, a crypto heavyweight who has been very public about his interest in Trump-related crypto ventures. By expanding to TRON, the Trump token isn't just getting a tech upgrade, it's aligning itself with a crypto powerhouse. It's tapping into TRON's huge international user base and its massive ecosystem for decentralized finance, DeFi. This could create a whole new source of real, sustainable demand for the token, moving it beyond pure speculation. For savvy crypto investors, this signals a potential shift from a pure memecoin play to a project with growing utility and network effects. So, what's the most likely story? After digging into it, the TRON expansion seems like much more than just a desperate PR stunt. It feels like a genuine attempt to evolve. While the fear from the 90% price crash is completely justified, the team is making a bold play to fundamentally change the token's future. They are trying to shift it from being just another memecoin, driven by hype and headlines, to a token with actual utility and reach within a major established crypto ecosystem. They are making a high-stakes bet that the market is looking at the past, the crash, instead of the future, which could be a wave of new demand from the TRON network. For Trump holders, this could be the light at the end of a very dark tunnel. For crypto investors, it presents a fascinating risk-reward scenario. In the end, while the Trump token has been through a brutal crash, the story is far from over. The project is trying to pull off one of the hardest things in crypto, engineering a comeback by building something with real substance in the middle of a storm. The move to TRON shows a clear belief that new utility and new markets can turn the tide. But what do you think? Is the TRON expansion a genius move that could spark a major rally? Or is it too little, too late for your investment? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you appreciate deep dives that cut through the noise and offer actionable insights, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions.